In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set vacation mode on Facebook Marketplace for 2025. Whether you're planning a getaway and want to ensure your marketplace listings are temporarily paused, or you're just taking a break, this guide will help you manage your listings with ease. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to go to Facebook. You can do this on a desktop or a mobile device by simply logging into your Facebook account as you normally would. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look for the Marketplace icon. This icon is typically located on the left side of your screen on a desktop or at the bottom of your screen on a mobile device, represented by a small storefront icon. Click on this icon to enter the marketplace. Now that you're in Marketplace, the next step is to locate the settings. You'll usually find this option by looking for a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you into your marketplace settings, where you can manage various aspects of your account to suit your needs. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it gives you control over how you want to operate within Marketplace. Within the settings menu, look for an option that says Manage Vacation Mode. This is what you'll need to set your listings on hold while you're away. It's essentially your control panel for turning vacation mode on or off. Toggle this feature to suit your preference. If you toggle it to on, your listings will be paused, allowing buyers to know that you're currently unavailable. Now, a really beneficial feature here is the ability to create a custom seller message. This message allows you to communicate with potential buyers, informing them of your absence and when you anticipate being back if you choose. Crafting a brief and polite message can help maintain shopper interest and avoid confusion during your time away. Remember, clarity is key to keeping your potential buyers engaged. Finally, after you've toggled vacation mode and crafted your custom message, be sure to click the Done button to save your settings. This confirms your activation of vacation mode. It's always a good practice after making changes to revisit your settings to ensure everything is as intended before you log off. And there you have it. Setting vacation mode on Facebook Marketplace is a simple yet effective way to manage your listings while you're away. It provides peace of mind and helps retain buyer interest with that custom message. I hope you found this guide comprehensive and easy to follow. Enjoy your time away, and thank you for choosing to learn with us today.